Let's sing, friends. Shout out to my Ositos family and families and students. This time we're going to sing this song, Row, Row, Row Your Boat. And we're gonna have a twist after. Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 is but a dream. Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Down the stream. Merrily, 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 is but a dream. Alright, this time we're going to sing the same tune to that song, but we're going to change the sound in which we sing it. So I have this. We're going to start with letter L. Alright, are you ready? That was hard for me. Alright, what about M? If you guys are watching, you can sing with me. M. M for monkey. Next, let's have last one. What about let's have the sound, let's do the sound la. Okay, all right. La 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 la. I'm not very good at singing, but yeah, you can be creative. You can choose the sound you want, and I hope you're gonna have fun singing with your family at home. Bye.